About 3 years ago, I was sitting in a large conference room. I think it was in North Carolina. And because I was running from session to session, I happened to be sitting in the back of this particular session. Not my favorite place to be. But nonetheless, I was understanding the presentation, it was going well, until the presenter asked for questions from the audience. And because I was situated so far back, I couldn't hear many of the questions that the audience members asked. So this kind of threw me off. And I realized it probably just wasn't me who couldn't hear them. It probably was many of us who couldn't hear the questions. In this link lesson, I'm going to offer one quick tip that will help you as a presenter when you're taking questions from the audience to make sure that everyone in your audience knows what those questions are. The tip is really simple. It's just this: repeat the question. Repeat the question that the audience member just asked of you so that everyone in the entire audience can hear this. But there are a couple side benefits that come out of this as well. If you repeat the question back to the listener, you can kind of give them a little nod or, did I get that right? Did I hear you correctly? This enables you to clarify what you heard to make sure that you really do have that question correct before you answer it. And a little side bonus of repeating the question before you answer it is it gives you just a moment to think about your answer. As you're repeating that question back to the person who asked it, you have a second to think, how am I going to answer this thing? And hopefully come up with some sort of headline to address the answer to the question simply and concisely. Please repeat the question. This is Kristen Link with Link Coaching.